facts? Because if
As
you are
fast as
narrating in the
possible.
wrong context, we need to check it out. Or shall we go on with the wrong facts? We continue this debate and discussion. What's your intention then? We need to check it out. Number one, the religious card is never an issue in the Manipur violence because Meitei never targeted Christians. Meitei also has a Christian population of around, which is 45% of what the Kuki populations are, Meitei Christians. And they missed to inform that Meitei churches are being completely vandalized and razed in the Kuki-dominated areas in Churachandpur, right on the first day before the target began in Imphal.
Okay, sir.
That needs to be acknowledged.
Thank you. Thank you
And
for
here is
sharing.
the sequence of events.
I would be grateful if we can meet after this and take the document and have the conversation.
Sure.
But if you don't have any
Let
more
me-
questions,
let
I
me
would
sum
need
up.
to interrupt you because we have 2 minutes before we need to close this event, and I need to give the final word to this panel. So I need to interrupt you just because we have 1 more minute, the lady from the United Nations, so we have to basically conclude the event.
Yes,
Thank
last
you.
part.
Thank you. Thank
Last
you for
question.
sharing. No,
Last question.
We will meet after the event.
But
and we
allow
will
me,
take the
let the
document.
audience know. Let the audience know.
Yes.
Why are we
Because we
completely
need to have
neglecting the issue of narco-terrorism?
We need to have the
The UN
concluding-
Odyssey has already reported Churachandpur has become a hub of new Golden Triangle.
Okay.
Poppy cultivations has
We need
already.
to have the concluding remarks from the panel and conclude the
Yeah,
event.
before that we need to know the facts. That's why I'm trying to
Thank you.
intervene.
Thank you, and we would welcome this. It's just that
It's completely one-sided discussion, so I don't want it. It should be neutral.
we are not a one-sided discussion.
Then you should have the
a lot
patience
of
to
the
listen to
facts
me.
were presented thoroughly, and there's a lot that we can provide after this event. Thank you.
Almost
So
19
I
Meitei
would
villages.
I would like now
19
to-
Meitei villages completely 100% evicted, destroyed.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you. Can you switch off the microphone, please? So I would like us to finish because we just finished the time for our event and for the time allocated to have this room. I'm grateful for the panel for having shared with us and for your contribution. I've been following personally as the World Evangelical Alliance very closely what is happening in India and Manipur and elsewhere. I'm very grateful for what you shared with us and what you provided. What our hope is that India would grow into a more democratic, inclusive society and community where the government is supportive and protective of all the religious minorities and all the ethnic minorities and everyone in India. And yet again, I want to appreciate the panel for being here, for sharing, and for all the members of our coalition representing various communities, religious and ethnic communities, for being part of this event. And again, once again, thank you for Ms. Al-Salim, and thank you also for Mr.